Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 5th, 2022. We're going to try to figure out if today is a prime opportunity to come in and buy Axie Infinity. You guys can see from our price chart that I do have an ongoing price prediction. So I was expecting the price in Axie to go down. It has done that. So now we're trading around $56.76. Is this the buying opportunity, or should we wait because we are expecting further declines in the value of this cryptocurrency? So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. Yeah, I do the price predictions without showing you any confusions. I simply want us to understand and learn that we can actually tell where price is going to go basically off of what everyone else is trying to do with their own money. So once you see that, you guys can actually be in position and win. So if you guys want to join me in this journey, then make sure you tap that like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. Follow me on all of my social media platforms as well, because I do display some other content there. So let's get started. I did a video for Axie Infinity on January the 1st, right? But you guys can see that this price prediction goes all the way back to December the 11th, 2021. This is when I originally started this anticipation of seeing lower prices for Axie Infinity. I did an update video on January the 1st, which brings us here. And I was still looking for the price to go down. Yeah, you guys can still see the video in the Axie Infinity playlist on my channel. And that is exactly what the price has done in Axie Infinity. It went down. So we should not be surprised. If anything, we got 21, almost 22% out the market in Axie Infinity. If we were to get out the market today, take a look at this. What's that? 45%, 44.5% profitability. Simple. Now that's done. That is over. Let's move on. Let's try to determine what the price in Axie Infinity is going to do now, because these two lines that's on this price chart right now, they're not really applicable. I mean, the price is down here around $56. So we really need to rearrange these lines. If they're not being useful, we need to get rid of them, right? So let's get rid of this line right here, this ascending line. We all can tell that the trend has been broken in Axie Infinity. So we are no longer being bullish, or we are no longer expecting the price to go up in Axie Infinity. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. And now you guys can kind of tell we're creating a downtrend. This is the current direction in the market in Axie Infinity. Yes, this is it. And we're going to simply follow what the market is delivering to us. If it's in a downtrend, then we're going to simply follow that same type of notion until we break it. Once trends break, then we know we need to switch our mentality as to what we're expecting. So right now, this is the current direction as to where the market is trying to go. It's trying to go down. Now, like I said in the beginning of this video, is this a buying opportunity? Right? Are we expecting the price in Axie Infinity to go up from here? Let's try to figure that out. So let's look at this on a 3-day time frame real quick, because you guys can see here on the 3-day time frame that we really haven't seen a lot of volatility. The price in Axie Infinity definitely wants to stay above $44.25, which is a very positive thing. Now, what about on the 2-day? This is the market action in Axie Infinity on the 2-day time frame. I really don't see too much weakness here neither, right? I don't see a lot of weakness being involved over the last couple of 2-day price bars, which is a very good thing for us to at least see that the market has been suppressed from going lower. Let's take a look at this on the 5-day then. This is the market in Axie Infinity on the 5-day time frame. So I want you all to tell me, what do you all think? I mean, are you still expecting the price to go down? Have we completed that movement to the downside and now we can start some upward price progression? What do you all think? Just by looking at the chart, because we can actually tell that this area right here in Axie Infinity wants to be maintained as support. Okay, maybe around like $47. We need to identify that area. This is where the buyers are approaching the market in Axie Infinity. Let's look at this on the weekly then. So what do you all expect to see into the market in Axie Infinity from a weekly perspective? Up or down, right? Maybe we might get a better answer on the hourly time frame. What do y'all see here? You guys can tell that the market in Axie Infinity is holding a firm area of support. But when you look at this on the 11-hour, look at this. You guys can tell that this high volume and this market is getting rejected right now in Axie Infinity. We need to see the continuation at least in the next 5 hours and 27 minutes. We need to see this market in Axie Infinity close up there towards the high of the bar. This is actually on the 13-hour. I mean, what do you all think? Higher or lower? All right, let's look at this on the 15-hour. higher or lower. Let's look at this on a 5 hour. You guys can see that we are entering an area to where sellers are appearing, which is why you need to be careful right now. Yeah, you got to be careful, and the market in Axie Infinity definitely needs to hold price above $56, no lower than 54, in order for a continuation of moving higher. We have to see the market do that. The buyers still have to hold price right there around 56, no lower than 54. So let's check this out on the 45-minute chart. So what do y'all think? You still think price is going to go down? Because currently I do. I'm still seeing indications on the minute time frame that the market is getting hit with some selling in Axie Infinity. So we will have to see from a minute basis the market in Axie Infinity hold this trend. This is the minute basis. So if you're a scalper, you guys will have to, especially trying to play this movement higher, you have to wait to see buyers come in around $56. If we break $56, then this is not the opportunity to scalp the market to higher prices, because this is definitely some weakness coming into the market right now. Okay, so what do y'all think? Should we expect price to go up? Should we expect price to go down? What is the play? Because if there's not a play here, then understand, don't participate. I'll be one of the first ones to tell you, if there's not a play here, if you don't see with a high potential of confidence that the market's going to go a certain way, then you should not participate. Not right now, until we get a little bit more information regarding what the market is trying to do. Now, already you can tell that the trend is down. So yes, from a broad perspective, we are thinking weakness, but we have created an area to where the market is willing to hold support around $45. You guys can see that even on today's trading, we are getting a small type of liftoff, but it may not be enough for us to break this descending line. So this is kind of like a wait and see. Yeah, and nothing wrong with waiting and seeing what the market does. I know you may have itchy fingers just trying to hit that buy button or that sell button if you're not in a position, but at times you just want to chill out and sit back. There will always be opportunities in these cryptocurrencies. I'll be the first one to tell you that. So looking at this, what I'm going to do, okay, is I'm going to hold out into the market right now in Axie Infinity. I'm not going to put on a price prediction. No, I'm not. Because the market is not determining which way is more likely it's going to go, higher or lower. I don't see that yet. Okay. Now from a monthly perspective, I mean, take a look at that. Yeah, I will be a little bit more weaker in terms of looking at price and actually go down just because of what happened in the last month in January. But I'm not there yet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let the market work. I'm going to continue to let the market play. And we all can see already that the current trend is down. I don't want everyone to think that this sideways trading means that the market in Axie Infinity is definitely a buy right now. We need to see price break $60 to the upside and then ultimately that descending line. We need to see this. So let me draw it for you. I want you all to see this. Okay. We need to see the market in Axie Infinity break up here above $60 and then eventually break out of this trend. We need to see that. And then that will tell us that the overall buyers are now dominating this market. We're not there yet. So we're going to continue to expect at least the downtrend to continue in the market in Axie. All right, so now it's your turn. I want you all to let me know, where do you think the market price in Axie Infinity is headed? I mean, right now, yeah, I'm leaning more towards price going down, but with the determination of us seeing the market hold $50, I just want to wait and see if the market gets rejected at $60. Because if I see that, then I know price is going to continue to dip. Then I know that price is going to continue to go lower. So I'm just going to kick back, wait on the market to give me that answer to see if weakness comes in around $60, and then we can play some downside predictions. But hey, it's your turn. The comment section is open. Give me an opportunity. Show me what is your thought processes in Axie Infinity. Are you buying this market? Or are you going to chill out and wait like me to see if the buyer is going to be able to successfully break above $60? I want to see that first, because if so, then I know where the market is headed. If they don't, I still know where the market is headed. I just want to see which one is which. That's it. So give me your thoughts though. All right, real quick, let me know with a comment below. Tell me what is your price target. Tell me what is your price prediction, where we're going to go over the month of February. All right, this is to do it for the month of February. Where do you see price headed? All right, make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.